Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Matty Bo back here again. Welcome back to the channel.
Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes.
As you guys know, I'm in Japan right now, so I'm kind of just filming wherever I can. I keep swapping rooms. I'm in this new room right now. It's literally like I'm using the outside light as the light for this video, so it's kind of a little janky, but this is part 3. A lot of you guys have been waiting for this. This is part 3 of the growing the page to 5,000 followers. In the last 2 videos of this series, we got to 2,400 followers just by using the follow unfollow method, and in this video we got up to 4,000 followers just by purely posting. Instagram is really testing your account. It's trying to see how much people actually like your account. That's why some of your videos will have really low engagement and some of them will be hitting explore. So in the beginning stages of this account, it was probably averaging 500 to 600 views of video, and after I hit explore, I got a 20k video. I also got a 14k video on explore, and after that it started averaging 1,000 to 1,200 views every single video. So it really is a snowball effect. I can't stress it enough, you guys. It's really important to be consistent on Instagram. Once you stop posting, you're gonna lose activity to your account. Instagram's gonna see that there's less people going to your account, therefore they're not gonna help you push your account. Just post once or twice a day. If you guys want to grow more, post more, obviously, but that's all you really have to do to keep growing your account. My car account, Car Meme Deli Cream, it's been popping off recently. It has a couple videos that are nearly almost at 100,000 views. It has probably, I think it's like 40 posts with over 10k views. So I've been hitting explore almost every day. It's basically as much as you want to post. The more you post, the more you'll gain. So it's kind of up to you guys. I would say 2 is good enough every day, but if you guys want to grow as much as you can, just post every hour. That's what I would do. So this post with almost 100k interactions, it's gotten me close to 100 followers, and that's just from posting. And you're going to be gaining not only from posting, but just random people finding your account, all of the old videos that are hitting explore. So you're going to be gaining a lot of followers. It's really just the snowball effect. In the beginning, I remember I was gaining maybe like 20 followers a day, but now I'm getting anywhere from 50 to 100. So it's really just a snowball effect. And then some of my other big pages that are already established, they're getting anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 followers every day, literally just from posting. You guys can post for post and everything. You can grow faster, but I can grow 10 accounts at the same time, not doing anything while I sleep. That's all I'm trying to say. I'm gonna start another account from scratch from 0 to 5,000, but instead I'm gonna be using the private method. So we're gonna see how fast we can grow it. I'm gonna give you guys the super hot fire tips so I can, cause I've been on Instagram for a while. I kind of know like more of the bait gains and like all the little secrets and tactics, so I can try to make a video on that and help you guys out. I think it'd be fun comparing public to private, because that's kind of like one of the biggest things when it comes to meme pages is just which account is better, right? So basically my biggest tips for the explore method account is to be consistent. It's to post as much as you can and just find the most liked photos, the most liked videos, the most viewed videos. You can use Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, any of those. Just find videos on the web, post it on your Instagram, and then yeah. So another question I've been getting from you guys from the last video is, how do you unfollow them? Honestly, guys, you just gotta suck it up and just do it one by one, because if you try to use an app, you're gonna get action blocked. Instagram's really cracking down on that recently. They're not allowing any third-party apps. As soon as you link it to your account, it's gonna say something like, oh, we are removing inauthentic likes, and yeah, you need to change your password or something like that. But basically, you just don't link any third-party apps. Just do it one by one. If you guys want to grow faster, just unfollow them and follow more people later. But really, once you hit around 2,000 followers, once you hit explore, you don't really need to keep doing that. But if you guys want to speed up the process, then be my guest. Just unfollow them by hand and just refollow them again. And also, Instagram's a lot more lenient with unfollows, so you can unfollow. I would say 80 is a good number every 2 hours. The thing about Instagram is that it kind of wants to test out your page, you know, see if people really fuck with it, you know what I mean? So that's why you're gonna have some videos with 400 views, you're gonna have some with 20k, some with 1,000, some with 5,000. It's just really random, and Instagram's kind of unpredictable like that, but all I can say is that you just need to keep posting and be consistent. The thing that I see a lot in my Discord, by the way, link in the description, is that a lot of you guys are just giving up really easily. Like, you guys post for a week and you're like, I'm not really gaining that much, but the thing is that you just gotta keep going. Like, in the beginning, it's gonna be the slowest gains of all time, but once your page starts taking off, it's like the snowball effect, right? Once your page takes off, it's gonna keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. A lot of you guys come into the Discord and they're like, we're not growing, it's growing really slowly, and I'm just like, Are you guys really trying to grind or what? Because we're trying to get to the top, boys. We're pretty sure everyone that's making a meme page is trying to get somewhere in life, right? This is just one of the easiest things to do. You can use your meme page to build so many things. That's why it's really important that you don't give up. It's just a big thing in life is just consistency and not giving up. On this channel, we're trying to go to the top, boys. We're trying to get that Wi-Fi bread, as Bia has it says. Obviously, you can't give up if you're trying to get this bread. You just gotta keep trying and trying. You can't just give up, man. One of the biggest tips I have for you guys is to be consistent, right? Once you stop posting, if you skip a day, for example, your engagement on your account is gonna drop a lot. Just because obviously posts bring in more people, right? So if you stop posting, Instagram's gonna see that your page was dead that day. Therefore, they're not gonna try and help you out, right? Because they're trying to help. The whole thing about Instagram, all these social media platforms, they're trying to keep the consumer on the platform for as long as possible, right? Because if they're on longer, they can show them more ads. The way the algorithm works is that if your account is keeping them on longer, then Instagram's gonna help push your account. It's as simple as that. So if you're posting good stuff, really long content, like 10-minute videos on IGTV, and they're keeping them on the platform, people are engaging with it. Like, for example, stories, you can have the little sliding thing of how much you like it, the little heart slider thing. If you have stuff like that, or even just polls where people are interacting, Instagram's gonna see that this is keeping them on longer. It's engaging. People are engaging with your content, and they're gonna push out your content more. A ton of people have been asking me about private and public. You know, I made a whole video about this. You can watch it up here if you want. But the thing that I'm gonna say is that it's a lot easier to grow a public account. I mean, private accounts grow faster, don't get me wrong. The bait method is OP, but if you want to grow 10 accounts at the same time just by posting twice a day, public is the way to go. You can only grow one account at a time, maybe 1 or 2 backups with the private method. And not only that, but you're going to be on Instagram 24/7, not 24/7, but obviously you're going to be on there way more than just posting twice a day for the public explore method. And that's just my method. That, in my opinion, I think it's better. Because just for example, I'm in Japan right now. I'm trying to have fun. I'm in the ski village working at a restaurant. But I scheduled all of my posts until February 2nd or something. So I'm literally just chilling. Like, I can have a hangover, you know, and not have to worry about posting the next day. It's all taken care of for the next 2 months, and I'm literally just straight chilling right now. My hands behind my head. That's something that private accounts can't do. You can schedule your posts, but you're not going to be gaining from posting. You're not going to be hitting explore if you're on private. If you're on a public account, you're going to be gaining from explore. I'm literally not even touching my phones. They're growing on automatically on their own because I sat down for one day, maybe 5 or 6 hours out of one day to schedule all of the posts, and I'm done. Like, and I literally don't even have to touch it for 2 months. And even if I wanted to, I could schedule all of my public explore pages posts, and at the same time I could be growing a page using post for post, shout out for shout out. So you could be growing a lot of pages. It's all about how much you guys really want to grind, how much it really means to you. Like, it might not mean a lot, like growing a meme page, but you can kind of take it somewhere. It's the easiest thing to do, and you can really take it somewhere if you like really grind on it and you're consistent and you're really innovative and pushing it every single day. So I mean, all I'm trying to say, there's no real winner, but I do think that public is easier, private gains better. But you can do both at the same time. Just schedule your posts on your explore pages, you know what I mean? It's just, you guys just gotta grind, man. That's what life is about. You gotta be hungry all the time. I've been chilling in Japan in this little old, it's really old-fashioned, like, Japanese village. As you can see, like, there's tatami mats on the ground. We got the shoji sliding doors, and yeah, it's just a little ski village. So that's kind of where I am for the next couple of months, and I'm kind of just straight up chilling right now. There's not really much to do but snowboard, drink, and yeah. So I don't know, I'm kind of just chilling out. I just gotta make one video a week for YouTube, and I pop on Discord every once in a while. I've been pretty busy, but yeah, basically my work is taken care of. Like, I scheduled all of my posts for the next 2 months, so I'm not really touching Instagram right now. I set up all the hashtags. I tagged my brand account. I set 2 posts every single day on all 10 of my accounts, so it's gonna be going automatically, which is the move, because I'm grinding while I'm sleeping, you know what I mean? And especially because I'm in Japan, I'm not trying to wake up at 2 a.m. because that's the prime time in Japan. I'm not trying to wake up at 2 a.m. every day and post, you know what I mean? So that was the move. I just scheduled all of my posts. I sat down one day, just did all of the work, knocked it out, hammered it out, you know what I mean? It's good to go. So I was actually here last season, and by this time, maybe like the second week of December, it was already dumping with snow. And as you can see, there's like not too much snow on the ground. There's like, all of that would have been covered right now. Just driving into the village, there's like snow walls on each side.
Oh shit.
And yeah, there's literally no snow right now. It's like global warming or some shit. Man, I'm kind of bummed out because I wanted to go snowboarding already, you know? Speaking about likes, it's been pretty wild actually. Instagram has been removing the likes. I never thought it was actually going to be a thing, but it kind of hit me. It's kind of weird. Instagram kind of does it in batches, so even though I have 10 accounts, only one of them has the likes removed, which is really odd to me. I think that they're doing this because I think if it all happens at one time, everyone's going to be complaining and kind of like feeding off of each other. They're going to be like, yeah, that person said he doesn't like it, so I don't like it. You know, it's just like the sheep mentality. But I think it's a smart move for them. I don't know. What do you guys think about them removing likes? I don't know if I really like it. Like, what's going to happen to all these Instagram models? Like, nobody knows how many likes they have, right? It's like, stop comparing dick sizes now on Instagram. Like, ever since the beginning, Instagram has been slide to go to the next post. But do you guys remember when Instagram made it tap to post? It was like that for a day or two. Everyone and their moms was flaming Instagram on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. They're like, what is this, man? This is so stupid. Like, no one wants to keep tapping. You just slide. It's so much easier, right? Like, no one really wants to learn the new system. But Instagram tried to play it off like it was a big mistake, you know? It's like a drunk text, you know? It's like, oops, I didn't mean to send that. Oops, we didn't mean to release this oops, we didn't mean to release this new version of Instagram to everyone. Oops, oopsies, oopsies. I'm pretty sure I'm done with this series, and in the next video, I'm just gonna be giving away the account. I'm gonna get it to 5,000, finish up the video, and then at the very end, I'm gonna give it away. And yeah, if you guys want a chance at the account, make sure you guys leave a comment on what you're gonna do with it. I'm gonna be picking it by random. Also, if you guys could like the video, I'd really appreciate it, so it can help me so you guys can help me in the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, it's been fun, guys. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you're still watching this, I love you guys. Anyways, peace out.